Welcome back to All Rustic, where we celebrate timeless home design and cozy decor inspiration. In today's video, we're diving into DIY spring farmhouse decor using repurposed materials to create a warm and inviting home. If you love rustic textures, soft spring colors, and creative upcycling ideas, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Let's transform your home into a spring farmhouse haven filled with charm and personality. Embracing the beauty of repurposed decor. Spring is the perfect season to refresh your home using repurposed items that tell a story. Instead of buying new decor, consider transforming old wooden crates, mason jars, or vintage furniture into beautiful farmhouse pieces. The beauty of repurposed decor lies in its authenticity and character, bringing a sense of history into your space. With a little creativity and effort, everyday items can become stunning focal points that capture the essence of rustic farmhouse living while staying budget-friendly. DIY rustic wooden accents for spring. One of the easiest ways to achieve a farmhouse look is by incorporating rustic wooden accents. Reclaimed wood can be turned into charming wall art, floating shelves, or even decorative signs with spring-inspired quotes. The natural grain and imperfections of wood add warmth and texture, making your home feel cozy and lived in. Pair these wooden elements with soft pastel tones or fresh greenery to create a balanced spring aesthetic that feels both fresh and grounded. Upcycled mason jar creations. Mason jars are a farmhouse staple and perfect for DIY spring projects. You can transform them into vases, candle holders, or even hanging lanterns with just a few simple materials. Adding twine, lace, or a coat of chalk paint can instantly elevate their look. Fill them with fresh flowers like tulips or daisies to bring the beauty of spring indoors. These small yet impactful details help create a cohesive rustic theme throughout your home. Vintage finds and flea market treasures. Incorporating vintage items is key to achieving an authentic farmhouse style. Old picture frames, antique pitchers, and weathered baskets can all be repurposed into decorative pieces. Visiting flea markets or thrift stores can uncover hidden gems that add unique charm to your home. Mixing these vintage finds with modern elements creates a layered look that feels curated and personal, making your space truly one of a kind. Soft textiles and natural fabrics. To enhance the cozy farmhouse vibe, focus on soft textiles and natural fabrics. Think linen table runners, cotton throw pillows, and lightweight blankets in soft spring hues. These elements add comfort and warmth while maintaining a light and airy feel. Layering different textures helps create depth and interest, making your home feel inviting and relaxed. Incorporating subtle floral patterns can also bring a touch of spring freshness to your decor. Bringing nature indoors with greenery. No spring farmhouse decor is complete without a touch of nature. Incorporate fresh greenery, potted plants, or even faux botanicals to breathe life into your space. Wooden planters, galvanized metal containers, or repurposed baskets can serve as beautiful plant holders. The combination of greenery and rustic materials creates a harmonious balance that reflects the beauty of the outdoors, making your home feel vibrant and rejuvenated. Conclusion: create your cozy spring retreat. As we wrap up, remember that DIY spring farmhouse decor is all about creativity, warmth, and personal expression. By repurposing everyday items and embracing rustic elements, you can create a cozy home that feels both stylish and welcoming. We hope these ideas inspire you to start your own decorating projects this season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your favorite idea or project. Thank you for watching All Rustic, and we'll see you in the next cozy home inspiration.